Welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Our lives are intertwined with technology. From online banking to social media, we entrust our data to the vast digital landscape. But what happens when this trust is broken? Ethical hacking is like a security audit for computer systems. Think of it as a controlled breach to find and fix weaknesses. Ethical hackers, also known as white hat hackers, use their skills for good. By simulating real-world attack scenarios, they provide valuable insights to strengthen security measures. Ethical hacking is not about exploiting vulnerabilities for personal gain. It is about protecting individuals, organizations, and governments from cyber threats. In an increasingly interconnected world, cybersecurity is paramount. As our reliance on digital platforms grows, so does the need to protect our data and systems from malicious threats. Cybersecurity is not just a technical requirement, it's a fundamental aspect of our daily lives. Ethical hackers play a crucial role in safeguarding our digital assets. These professionals use their skills to identify and fix vulnerabilities before they can be exploited by malicious hackers. They act as the first line of defense against cybercriminals, protecting sensitive information from falling into the wrong hands. By constantly monitoring and updating security measures, they ensure that our digital environments remain secure. Ethical hackers possess a deep understanding of computer systems and networks. Their expertise allows them to navigate complex digital landscapes and identify potential threats that others might miss. They employ various techniques such as penetration testing and vulnerability assessments to identify weaknesses. These methods are essential in uncovering hidden flaws that could be exploited by cybercriminals. By thinking like attackers, they can anticipate potential attack vectors and develop effective countermeasures. This proactive approach is crucial in staying one step ahead of those who seek to do harm. The work of ethical hackers is essential in various sectors, including finance, healthcare, and government. Each of these areas has unique challenges and requires specialized knowledge to protect sensitive information. They ensure the integrity and confidentiality of our data, protecting us from financial fraud, identity theft, and other cybercrimes. Their efforts help maintain trust in digital transactions and communications. Their contributions help build a safer and more secure digital world for everyone. By working tirelessly behind the scenes, ethical hackers make it possible for us to enjoy the benefits of technology without fear. Gone are the days when hacking required bulky computers and complex setups. Today, a powerful tool for ethical hacking fits right in your pocket, your smartphone. Smartphones offer portability, versatility, and a wide range of hacking tools available through dedicated apps. This accessibility makes ethical hacking more approachable for beginners and professionals alike. With your smartphone, you can perform various ethical hacking tasks, such as network scanning, vulnerability analysis, and even exploiting certain weaknesses. Whether you're a security enthusiast or a professional penetration tester, your smartphone can be your go-to device for ethical hacking on the go. Numerous apps available on Android and iOS platforms can transform your smartphone into a powerful ethical hacking device. With the right tools, your mobile device can become a versatile platform for penetration testing, security analysis, and network diagnostics. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced professional, these apps can provide you with the capabilities you need to identify vulnerabilities, secure networks, and protect sensitive information. Here are 3 examples to get you started. Each of these tools offers unique features and functionalities that can help you in different aspects of mobile penetration testing. Termux, a terminal emulator and Linux environment for Android. This powerful app allows you to run a full-fledged Linux distribution on your smartphone, giving you access to a wide range of command line tools and utilities. Termux provides access to a vast library of command line tools for networking, security testing, and more. You can install packages, run scripts, and even develop your own tools directly on your mobile device. It's like having a portable hacking lab in your pocket. Fing, a network scanner that provides detailed information about devices connected to your Wi-Fi network. This app is essential for anyone looking to secure their home or office network. Fing can help you identify rogue devices, analyze network vulnerabilities, and troubleshoot connectivity issues. With its intuitive interface and powerful scanning capabilities, Fing makes network security accessible to everyone. NetHunter, a custom Android ROM specifically designed for penetration testing and security auditing. Developed by the Kali Linux team, NetHunter transforms your Android device into a powerful hacking tool. NetHunter comes pre-loaded with a suite of powerful tools for ethical hacking, including Kali Linux utilities and wireless network analysis tools. It's an all-in-one solution for mobile security professionals. These are just a few examples of the many powerful tools available for ethical hacking on smartphones. The mobile penetration testing landscape is constantly evolving, with new apps and updates being released regularly. As you delve deeper into the world of ethical hacking, you'll discover a vast ecosystem of apps and resources to enhance your skills. Stay curious, keep experimenting, and continue to explore the ever-growing world of mobile penetration testing tools. Section 5. Your first steps into ethical hacking. Are you ready to embark on your ethical hacking journey? This is an exciting field that combines curiosity, technical skills, and a passion for cybersecurity. Whether you're a beginner or have some experience, there's always something new to learn. Here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. Following these steps will help you build a strong foundation and develop the skills needed to become proficient in ethical hacking. First, build a solid foundation. This involves understanding the core concepts that underpin the field of cybersecurity. Start by understanding the basics of networking, operating systems, and cybersecurity principles. These are the building blocks of your knowledge and will help you understand how systems interact and where vulnerabilities might exist. Online courses, tutorials, and books can provide a strong foundation. There are many resources available, both free and paid, that can guide you through the basics and beyond. Next, choose your tools. Select the ethical hacking tools that align with your goals and technical skills. Tools like Nmap, Wireshark, and Metasploit are popular choices among ethical hackers. Experiment with different apps and familiarize yourself with their functionalities. Understanding how these tools work will be crucial as you progress in your ethical hacking journey. Then, set up a safe environment. This is essential to practice your skills without causing any harm. Practice ethical hacking in a controlled environment, such as a virtual machine or a dedicated testing network. This allows you to test your skills and tools in a safe and legal manner. Avoid practicing on live systems or networks without explicit permission. Unauthorized access is illegal and unethical. After that, start with simple tasks. Begin with basic exercises to build your confidence and understanding. Begin with basic tasks like network scanning, port scanning, and vulnerability analysis. These tasks will help you understand how to identify and assess potential security issues. Gradually increase the complexity of your exercises as you gain experience. As you become more comfortable, challenge yourself with more advanced tasks and scenarios. Finally, join the community. Engage with the ethical hacking community online and offline. Networking with other professionals can provide valuable insights and opportunities. Participate in forums, attend conferences, and connect with other enthusiasts to learn from their experiences and share knowledge. The community is a great resource for staying updated on the latest trends and techniques in ethical hacking. Section 6. Navigating the legal landscape. Ethical hacking is a powerful tool, but it's crucial to use it responsibly and within the bounds of the law. Unauthorized access to computer systems or networks, even with good intentions, can have serious legal consequences. Before conducting any ethical hacking activities, obtain explicit written permission from the system or network owner. This consent, known as a penetration testing authorization, protects both you and the organization. Familiarize yourself with relevant laws and regulations regarding cybersecurity and data protection in your jurisdiction. Organizations like the Electronic Frontier Foundation, or EFF, provide valuable resources on digital rights and legal issues surrounding hacking. Section 7. Respecting privacy in a connected world. As ethical hackers, we are entrusted with accessing sensitive information. Respecting privacy is paramount in all our activities. Handle personal data with care, ensuring its confidentiality and integrity. Obtain informed consent before collecting, storing, or analyzing any personal information. Anonymize data whenever possible to protect individuals' identities. Be mindful of the potential impact of your actions on others. Avoid disclosing sensitive information or engaging in activities that could harm individuals or organizations. Section 8. The power of knowledge sharing for a safer tomorrow. Knowledge is power, and sharing it is crucial for creating a safer digital world. By sharing our ethical hacking knowledge and experiences, we can empower others to protect themselves and their organizations from cyber threats. Contribute to the cybersecurity community by writing blog posts, creating tutorials, or presenting at conferences. Share your insights on vulnerabilities, attack vectors, and mitigation strategies. Support organizations that promote cybersecurity awareness and education. Volunteer your time and expertise to help others understand the importance of online safety and ethical hacking. Section 9. Conclusion: embracing ethical hacking for a secure future. As our reliance on technology grows, so do the cyber threats we face. Ethical hacking is no longer a niche field, but a critical component of a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy. By embracing ethical hacking, we can create a safer and more secure digital world for everyone. Let's continue to push the boundaries of knowledge, share our expertise, and work together to build a future where technology empowers us.